Python Programming, Lesson 1, Introduction. Python Programming, Lesson 1, Introduction. Welcome to Python Programming. Python is a powerful and easy-to-learn programming language. It is used for web development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. What is Python? Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. It is known for its simple and readable syntax. Python code is easy to write and understand, even for beginners. Installing Python. To start programming in Python, you need to install it on your computer. Go to python.org and download the latest version. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Your first program. Open a text editor or Python's idle. Type the following code. Print, hello, world, quote closing parenthesis dot. Save the file as hello.py. Run the file by typing python hello.py in your terminal. Congratulations! You have written your first Python program. In the next lesson, we will learn about variables and data types. Keep practicing.